Okay, so I understand that some of you, including me, are having trouble getting this Infinity Free to work. So I'm going to go back to File Manager. So I'm getting the same error that you guys are getting, even if I try to put htdocs in here. So this is what's happening to a lot of you guys, right? All right, so this is the key. As long as you've created, as long as you have a username and a password and a website, we're going to use a different FTP tool to let us upload the files. So what you'll need to do is, what I want you to do is Google FileZilla. This is an FTP tool. So it's free to use and share. So go ahead and download and install the client. Like I have a Mac, so I would have to download the Mac, and then you need to install it. And I will show you now how it works. So I'm just going to start it. I've already downloaded it, so I just have to. Oh, I thought I did. Okay, I'm just going to do this. So what this looks like is it looks like your directory. And it's hiding here behind here. So right here, this is your computer. And what I need you to do is, the first thing I want you to do is I need you to find where all your files are. So like I'm gonna go, I know that my files, I have them on my desktop. Oh, I have them on my desktop. And I have them, oh, maybe it's in the documents. I have it in the documents, and here in my demo website folder. That's where all my files are. So I am all ready to go. So now, what the heck do you have to do? Now, here's what you have to do. You got to connect to your website. So now that we're looking at the account details, you need to copy the host name here. So you're going to copy this. I'm going to say Control C and copy it in there. Then you need to find your username, which is listed here. You're going to copy and paste. And then you need your password, and you can show your password. Isn't that nice? You can copy and you can paste. Now, all you do is a quick connect, and you're going to watch all this stuff happen. You're going to get this screen and just say, okay. Now, on the right side, you are going to see this folder appear. So here's our directory listing. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to go inside this folder, and you're going to copy everything from the left side, and you're just going to drag it in here. And notice when I drag it over, it says plus, and just say okay. And I'm going to click that. All right. So it's showing you it's uploading all those files. Some of you are having trouble with images. That could be because sometimes when you bring the image over to upload it, it changes the name. So go back and double check all your names. If it looks like that they're now capitalized, you're going to need to go back. What I would do is this. I would go back here and just, you got to double check and make sure none of the files names have changed. This file's got to be index.html. Okay, now I'm getting some kind of error here. So, but it said it was successful. So I'm not super worried about that. Now, to make sure it worked, what you do is copy your website, get a new tab, and paste it in there. And you'll see your website. And there it is. Okay, so give that a whirl if you're getting that socket problem. Thanks.